This year we've been really fortunate to grow our teams in each department. So in 2021, I am looking forward to actually being able to have a party together and bond. We have so many new people that we just don't really know each other due to COVID. We haven't really been able to celebrate together as a team. So that's what I'm really looking forward to.
I'm looking for 2021 to be different than 2020.
It not being 2020.
First and foremost, no more masks.
Being happy and healthy. No more COVID.
My COVID vaccine.
2021, I'm looking forward to not wearing a mask, seeing live music, and being able to quit drinking Diet Mountain Dew.
Hey, what I'm looking for in 2021 is for everybody to be healthy, for COVID to be gone, for all of our family and friends to be healthy, and then as we have the opportunities to get together and enjoy life and all the festivities.
Talking my husband into getting more dogs.
My daughter turning 1 year old.
To working with all my friends here at Healthy Spaces.
Well, I mean, the biggest thing, I guess, like everybody else, is this pandemic being over with. That would be great. And then coming up with a vacation time to be able to put my feet on the beach would be even awesome without the pandemic stuff. Other than that, I want ready to see this place grow a little more and us hit our goals for 2021 here.
I'm looking forward to having a baby with my wife and to progress myself in this company to move on in the future.
I would say I'm looking forward to seeing the potential this team has after dealing with everything we've gone through this year. I'm interested to see how strong this team will be in 2021.
Well, personally, I'm looking forward to, I think as many Americans, the coronavirus to finally rear its head and get away from us. I'm also looking forward to continually growing my house as I always do. Professionally, I'm looking towards the growth of the company. It was a tough year this year, but we did see some growth, so I'm excited to see what 2021 will bring with that continual growth. So overall, just continue knocking away and growing each day.
Here at Healthy Spaces, we want to wish everyone a healthy, happy 2021. Thank you, Tri-State, for allowing us to serve you over these last 20 years.